Hey guys, it's quick Minecraft tutorials here. Today I'm gonna show you how to swim fast without hacking or glitches in Minecraft. Um, but in order for this to work, you need to make sure you like and comment on this video. You can subscribe if you want, if you like these videos, and of course hit that bell icon to get notifications. Like this won't work unless you are if you've liked and commented this video, um, because the algorithm, the SEO, the algorithm will notice it, and then it'll boost the video SEO, and you'll be able to impress all of your friends with how cool you are when you show them how to swim fast underwater. Um, so as you know, there's all these updates showing you. Let me just set a day really quick. Oh, nice. There's all these underwater things that are super cool. I'll show you a lot of cool tricks underwater that you can do in another episode, but in this I'm gonna go third person, um, and show you how to swim fast. So you see how slow you're going right now? Oh my God, it's so slow. Like walking, right? And it's like, oh no, so slow. So once you like and comment on this video, you'll be able to activate the ability to swim fast. So even if you're underwater, look how slow it is to swim. It's just so slow. And you can't do anything like that slow. And remember, you got to appease the algorithm, or else it won't work. And the algorithm must like you. I love the algorithm. The algorithm loves me, and the algorithm is all-knowing. So once you like and comment this video and hit that bell icon, you'll be able to accomplish this task. Um, so let's get to it. So you're underwater, and then now I'm swimming fast. See how fast I'm swimming? So since I liked and commented on the video, I can now swim super fast. So let me just show you in third person. So look at this. You're underwater, you're taking forever to swim, and then boom, you can now swim sideways. This is with no hacks and no glitches. You just need to like and comment on this video in order for it to work. And you can swim fast. You can zoom through things. You can even swim through one by one blocks. Look at that. Look how fancy that is. You can glitch your way through it. It's so crazy. Look at that. All right, let me show you one more time. Let me actually show you how to do it. All right. So what you have to do is if you look on your keyboard, or if you're on mobile, the only thing is the same way you run on land. You just jump in the water and you run underwater, and then it makes you go fast. So right now you're not running, you're just floating. Then double tap W, boom, you're swimming fast. But it only works if you like this video and comment on this video, and you can swim with the fishes. And remember, if you don't do that, the algorithm knows, and the algorithm will get you if you don't like and comment on this video. And of course, if you like my videos, you can always subscribe, or you can do other things, or else the algorithm is gonna get you. But the algorithm knows everything, and the algorithm knows whether or not you like it or not. So definitely like it. Once you've done that, it'll work, and it does work in survival, but same way, you just gotta have enough hunger, and you can't swim underwater for too long because you'll run out of breath because the algorithm knows. The al the algorithm knows. Alright guys. Well, I'd like to thank you so much for watching my video. This was a quick Minecraft tutorial by Quick Minecraft Tutorials, and it was a pleasure. It was a pleasure doing it. Remember, the algorithm knows whether or not if you do this, and then it attaches to your Minecraft account. And let me just show you one more time. So I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna go in here, and then I'm gonna run underwater, and now I can catch up with the fishes and kill everything you want. Thank you guys so much for watching, and next time remember to like and comment on the video because the algorithm knows. All right, okay, bye.